Welcome to the City of Lights, Paris, a city known for its art, fashion, gastronomy, and culture. Today, we are embarking on a journey through this iconic city. Paris, the capital of France, is a sprawling metropolis with a history stretching back to the 3rd century BC. It's a city that has shaped and been shaped by the world around it. From the romantic Seine River to the charming cobblestone streets, the city's beauty is undeniable. We'll traverse this cityscape, visiting its most iconic landmarks. The Eiffel Tower, an emblem of industrial elegance, the Notre Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of French Gothic architecture, the Louvre Museum, home to thousands of works of art, the Arc de Triomphe, a symbol of French unity, and the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, a beacon of hope and love. So prepare to be amazed as we explore the heart of France and immerse ourselves in the magic of Paris. First stop, the Eiffel Tower, an architectural masterpiece and an emblem of Paris. Standing tall at over 300 meters, this architectural marvel takes its name from the engineer Gustave Eiffel, whose company designed and built the tower. Constructed as the entrance arch for the 1889 World's Fair, the Eiffel Tower was initially met with criticism from Parisians. Many considered it an eyesore against the city's traditional skyline. However, over the years, it has been embraced and loved, becoming the city's most iconic symbol. The Eiffel Tower is a testament to the ingenuity of the late 19th century. Built from over 7,000 metric tons of iron, held together by more than 2.5 million rivets. Its intricate lacework design was not just an aesthetic choice, but a strategic one. The open frame structure withstands wind resistance, ensuring the tower's stability. Did you know? The Eiffel Tower was the world's tallest man-made structure for 4 decades, until the completion of the Chrysler Building in New York in the early 20th century. But it's not just its height that makes it remarkable. The Eiffel Tower is also a scientific hub. It has weather stations, radio transmission facilities, and even a secret apartment that Gustave Eiffel kept for himself at the top. Over the years, the Eiffel Tower has been a site of numerous historical events and daring feats. From being saved from demolition by its use as a radio transmission tower during World War I, to hosting high-wire walkers and base jumpers, the Eiffel Tower is no stranger to drama and adventure. Today, it's one of the most visited paid monuments in the world. Year-round, it attracts millions of visitors, eager to ascend its platforms for an unparalleled view of Paris. The Eiffel Tower is not just a sight to behold, but an experience, whether you're gazing at it from a distance or standing at its pinnacle, looking down at the City of Lights. The Eiffel Tower, a testament to human ingenuity and a symbol of Paris that continues to captivate hearts worldwide. Next, we visit the Notre Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of French Gothic architecture. This iconic structure, nestled in the heart of Paris on the Île de la Cité, is a testament to the city's rich history and architectural prowess. Notre Dame Cathedral, or Our Lady of Paris, began its journey in the 12th century, a time when Paris was growing rapidly. The cathedral was a response to this growth, a monument to the city's increasing importance and the spiritual needs of its inhabitants. Its construction spanned 2 centuries, a testament to the complexity and grandeur of its design. The cathedral's architecture is a spectacle in itself. It's a prime example of French Gothic style, with its high pointed arches, ribbed vaults, and flying buttresses. These elements not only create an ethereal aesthetic, but also serve a practical purpose, providing structural support and allowing for large, intricate stained glass windows that fill the interior with a celestial glow. Notre Dame's significance extends beyond its architectural marvels. It has been the backdrop to many pivotal moments in French history, from the coronation of Napoleon Bonaparte to the beatification of Joan of Arc. It's not just a building, but a living, breathing part of the French narrative. In 2019, a devastating fire ravaged Notre Dame, causing extensive damage, particularly to the roof and spire. This tragic event, however, sparked a global outpouring of support. Restoration efforts began almost immediately, with millions of dollars donated from around the world. Despite the challenges, the cathedral's resilience shone through, much like the city of Paris itself. Today, the restoration of Notre Dame continues, a testament to its enduring significance. Each stone, each stained glass window is handled with care, honoring the cathedral's past while ensuring its future. It's a painstaking process, but one that underscores the cathedral's value to Paris and the world. Notre Dame Cathedral, a resilient symbol of Paris standing tall through centuries of change. This iconic structure, a testament to the city's endurance and spirit, continues to inspire awe and reverence, a beacon of hope and resilience in the City of Lights. Now, let's step into the world of art at the Louvre Museum, home to thousands of works of art from all over the world. Imagine a fortress, standing tall and proud in the heart of Paris. Now picture it transforming over centuries, morphing into a royal palace and then into the world's largest art museum. That's the story of the Louvre Museum, a testament to the city's rich history and its long-standing love affair with art. The Louvre was originally built as a fortress in the 12th century under the reign of Philip II. It was converted into a royal palace in the 14th century, and it wasn't until the late 18th century, during the French Revolution, that the decision was made to use the Louvre as a public museum. Over the years, the Louvre has expanded, evolved, and been embellished, reflecting the changing times and tastes. Today, it stands as a symbol of cultural enrichment and historical preservation, housing over 35,000 works of art spread over 60,000 square meters of exhibition space. The collections at the Louvre span from the birth of great ancient civilizations right up to the first half of the 19th century. The museum is home to some of the world's most iconic artworks, including the mysterious Mona Lisa, with her enigmatic smile, the Venus de Milo, renowned for her beauty, and the Winged Victory of Samothrace, a masterpiece of Hellenistic sculpture. But the Louvre is more than just its famous masterpieces. Each section of the museum tells a story. Each artifact holds a secret, and each gallery captures a different era, a different civilization, a different perspective. From Egyptian antiquities to Islamic art, from Greek and Roman sculptures to the crown jewels of French kings and queens, the Louvre is a microcosm of human history and creativity. So, whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, or just a curious wanderer, the Louvre Museum offers a journey through time, a chance to see the world through the eyes of artists, and an opportunity to touch the pulse of humanity's collective heritage. The Louvre Museum, a treasure trove of art and history waiting to be explored. Our journey continues to the Arc de Triomphe, a monument that embodies the spirit of the French people. Imagine stepping back into the vibrant era of the French Revolution and the Napoleonic Wars. The Arc de Triomphe stands as a testament to the resilience and bravery of the soldiers who fought for France. Commissioned by Napoleon himself after his victory at Austerlitz in 1805, this colossal structure has become an iconic symbol of French national identity. Every intricate detail on the Arc de Triomphe tells a story. The four main sculptures, known as the Triumph of 1806, Resistance, Peace, and the Departure of the Volunteers, collectively illustrate the French military history. The names of French victories and generals are etched onto the inner and outer surfaces, a tangible reminder of their valor. Now, let's journey from the bustling Champs-Élysées to the highest point in the city, Montmartre, where the Sacré-Cœur Basilica majestically overlooks Paris. This basilica, with its distinctive Romano-Byzantine architecture, is more than just a religious monument. It's a symbol of hope and healing after the Franco-Prussian War and the turbulent Paris Commune of 1871. The Sacré-Cœur Basilica's unique architecture is matched only by the breathtaking panorama it offers. From its highest point, the city of Paris sprawls out like a beautiful tapestry of history and progress. It's a sight that truly encapsulates the spirit of the city, a blend of timeless elegance and ceaseless innovation. What's more, the Sacré-Cœur Basilica houses one of the world's largest mosaics, aptly named Christ in Majesty. This stunning artwork with Christ's outstretched arms seems to embrace all who gaze upon it, embodying the universal message of love and peace. From the Arc de Triomphe to the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, Paris is a city that celebrates its history and cherishes its heritage. Our exploration of these landmarks not only connects us with the city's past, but also invites us to partake in its present, to breathe in the vibrancy, the spirit, the joie de vivre that is quintessentially Paris. Our journey through the City of Lights comes to an end, but the magic of Paris lives on. We've wandered through the intricate iron lattice of the Eiffel Tower, marveled at the awe-inspiring architecture of the Notre Dame Cathedral, and gazed upon the timeless treasures of the Louvre Museum. Each landmark, a testament to the city's rich history and vibrant culture, has its own story to tell. We've also journeyed to the monumental Arc de Triomphe, standing majestic at the heart of the city, and ascended the slopes of Montmartre to the breathtaking Sacré-Cœur Basilica, offering panoramic views that encapsulate the city's spirit. Paris, with its timeless charm and captivating beauty, invites you to experience its magic firsthand. Every corner, every street, every monument holds a piece of the city's soul, waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Paris. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel content. Au revoir.